Good morning. I had somebody ask me about my theme books, and so I thought I'd kind of give a quick look through that. And also I wanted to tell you that I figured out my dates because you're going to see me on the 9th and the 13th where I act like I don't know what's going on, but it's because I'm posting things early. But so you'll see me on the 9th and 13th. Otherwise, I won't be back until probably Monday or Tuesday after that, the 15th and the 16th, because I'm going to a wedding in Florida, and so we're just going to stay there for a week. So the theme book I'm going to show you today is the 4th of July, summer, travel, vacation, and toys. And I would have liked to have had, you know, everything kind of divided into its own group, but I just wanted to use what I had. Okay, now I have stuck some things in here that I haven't put away yet. So I have toys, and actually I need this. I didn't realize I had it, or I forgot I had it. And then I have like some of our travels and stuff like that, kind of stickers in here and stuff. So I have stickers, I have die cuts, and chipboard in here. And these were things I've just stuck in here lately where it's like, okay, I want this in here, I just haven't got it put away. And so I know there's probably be a little bit of a glare. Yeah, I can see it. And now what I found was some of these things, even though they're stickers, they don't stay on. And so I ended up having to put them in a sleeve, even though I started out with them to be just put on here. So these are 4th of July. And mostly things come off pretty easy. I do use this a lot because it seems like it's faster to get things off. So I do like that. So like I might start it with my nail and then get underneath there. And I'm not trying to really pull it off now, but that's what I use a lot to get it off. And I gotta say, even if you don't have a Cricut, one of these things are really nice to have. I use it more for other stuff. So, and I have to say, I do not have a whole lot of 4th of July photos, but I do have a lot of 4th of July stickers. But I'll probably get more now that my daughter is actually taking pictures. So, and then here's like picnic and other summer things. And then I have beach, and these things could be out of order because I used to pull things out. These, I really love this. Janet from RTS Scrapbooking told us that she did this, and she showed us, and I did this, and I love it because it's like I used to scrapbook at my friend's house all the time because she was taking care of her mother, and so I would take, you know, I'd just pull out what I needed, and maybe I would take 3 pages with me, and I would have everything for, you know, for a cruise or something like that. And so, or anything for pictures of the kids at the beach. So this is, it's very handy. I really like it because before that I used to carry around a folder, and then, you know, it was so bulky and cumbersome, where this, it's like, you know, right here in my hand, I have 3 pages front and back, and that's a whole lot of stickers. So I would just put that into my little tote bag and be on my way. So I'm showing you, I have lots of old stickers, tons of old stickers from when I first started scrapbooking. And because they're in here, I really find it so much easier to find it. Now this one I had pulled out and I was going to use it, and then I decided not to, and I just left it on the wax paper because it was hard to get off. So there's certain ones that, you know, I put on there and I wish I would have stuck them on there other ways, because sometimes they are hard to get off. Die cuts are super easy. I mean, if it tears away wax paper, it's just not that big of a deal. Here's some other really old stickers. I really love vintage, but it's like, I really don't do a whole lot of vintage scrapbooking. But maybe when I get caught up with the grandkids, and you can see I've used a lot of these right here. I don't have too much left. You can see where I've used things, and they've come up pretty good because I don't see any real tears in my paper, or in my wax paper. And you can see where I've used, because I had this packed. Now I do have things I could put in, you know, in between. I just haven't done it yet. And some of these that I've gotten at Tuesday morning, I may have bought 2 of. So you'll see like doubles of them. And then I had a lot of dimensional Jolies. And those, now the last time I put anything in, I actually just taped down the whole thing. So here's just some of the things I have in here. Now these were like a little package that I picked up at Hobby Lobby, and so I actually just stuck the package in here because I wouldn't want to have to tape all those little monies from other countries. Oh, here I have a prickly pear. I wrote it because we seen that on vacation. It was at the place we stayed at, so I kind of, sometimes I'd take notes and just stick them in here. Debbie Mom, these are super old. I love them. Now this, I think I just stuck this one in here. I think because I had pulled off some of these and they were hard to, they didn't want to stick. So sometimes, and I don't know whether it's just because they're old, they were so old when I tried to stick them in. This one I just stuck in here because it was easier to stick it in than to take all the little pieces off. So sometimes I'll do that. Or like this one here, it's in a package and it's a long word, so I just stuck that in here. And this one here, because it was already falling apart, so I just left it in the package. So once in a while I've left them in the package, but I really, really love working with this. And here's some of those Dollar Tree stickers. So I ended up putting those. So I might have actually had this one out that day, but I just didn't go through it. But and I actually had stuck in some puffy stickers too. And these ones I think are from Hobby Lobby or someplace. I'm not sure. But I haven't been putting in the puffy stickers lately. But I think they came up fine too. Because I did Christmas ones like that. And here's another one of those ones that I got 2 of when I was at Tuesday morning. And I have 3 of these ones. Nope, 4. I have 4 of those. And those I just bought from a lady on eBay. And so this, and some of these are so old. I bought these so many years ago. And so this one is, you know, summer, vacation, traveling. And then I have some papers back here that that I wanted for like Texas, and this, here's the Alamo. And again, this one I purchased so long ago and I still haven't done that page. And what is this? Oh, and here's like a sandcastle. And so sometimes I've stuck things over here, but like this, I used to sell Creative Memories, so I have a bunch of these because I bought a bunch of them because I used them a lot. And actually there probably is only 3 left in there, but you know, it's like I just left those in there rather than try to stick them all out. So that's it for today. I just kind of wanted to give a browse through this because somebody had asked me about, you know, what's with all the theme binders. And so that's what I have, different themes in all of them. This one has a lot more. I actually have another summer one with like gardening and stuff like that. So this one was more geared towards vacationing. And so if anybody wants to see any of the other ones, I can show those. If you'd like to see them all, I can do that. It would, you know, I just kind of do it in between stuff. And then I am going to show some more things that I have in boxes because that way it gets me to go through it. Because I found stuff the other day I was pretty excited about. And I've already used something. So, so that's it for today. And so remember, I just didn't want you to be concerned when I show up every day and then all of a sudden I'm not here. So you will see me on the 9th and the 13th. And then I should be home and back to scrapbooking or working on something in my room on the 15th or the 16th. So have a wonderful week and I will see you all then. Bye-bye.